Okay, so sketching using your table of values. So if you put in x equals minus 2, you get y equals 2 to the minus 2. If you put that into your calculator, that will be 0.25. So you can just round it off to 0.3 when you're sketching. If x equals minus 1, y equals 2 to the minus 1, that will give you 0.5. So you're just subbing in the points. So each time you've got minus 2, you put minus 2 in where the indice is. Then you got minus 1, and you put minus 1 in. And now we're going to put in the 0. So I'm going to put x equals 0, so you get y equals 2 to the 0. When you put 2 to the 0 into your calculator, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So the first one so far here, we have 0.3 for minus 2, it's really 0.25. You'd write it, yeah, that one's rounded, but that's, the whole thing. 0.5 for minus 1 and 1 when it's 0. Now if you put in x equals 1, you get y equals 2 to the 1, which is 2. And x equals 2, you get y equals 2 to the 2, which is 4. Okay, so now if you put that in on a number plane and you plot it, x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one, you go across to minus 2, and then you're going to go, and here's the number here, you're going to go up to 0.25. Now 0.25 or 0.3, this is one whole, so it's only going to be like really somewhere there. So it's very close to the number plane, but it doesn't actually cut it. Okay, so now we're going to look at putting in minus 1.5. So if you go to minus 1.5, excuse me, would be about halfway. And then we're going to go to 1 and then 0, 1. So you go up 0, out 0, which is here, and you go up 1. And then you're going to go to 2, 1, 2. So you go across to 1, and you're going to go up to 2, and then you're going to go 2, 4. So you go across to 2, and you're going to go up to 4, which is there. And when you look at that and you plot that, it just forms an exponential, which looks like that. And it's one going up because the indice here is a plus. Okay, I'm just going to do one with a negative indice. So y equals 3 to the minus x. So if you put in x equals minus 2,